everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious sauteed French bean. I have a 1 pound French bean. The French beans I have, they are pre-cut, spices from masala dabba, olive oil and hoisin sauce. Half onion I cut into small cube size pieces. 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic. And let's start making our delicious French bean. The first step will be we're going to bring the water to boil. Add half teaspoon oil. I'm adding olive oil. You can add any vegetable oil. Bring French bean into the hot boiling water. Mix it. Once they get a little tender, that's all we need. We don't need to overcook it and they will become really soft and mushy. The reason I added oil into the water, that will bring the shine to our French beans once they get coated nicely with oil. So we're going to give a couple minutes and don't cover with the lid. It's only 2 minutes and the water started to boil. I'm going to give 1 more minute. So it's exactly 3 minutes. Cooking in hot boiling water. This is all we need. Now I'll take this one to our sink. I'll place it in the strainer. This is all we need. Get it crying. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add ginger and garlic. Cook ginger and garlic for 20 seconds. This is good enough. We'll add onion. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, cook onion for half a minute. Cooking for half a minute. All together cooking ginger garlic for 1 minute. Bring beans. Mix it well. Now on a high gas, cook it for a couple minutes. Keep it moving and keep it cooking. Add salt to taste and black pepper. Mix it well. Add hoisin sauce, 2 teaspoons. Mix it well. After adding the hoisin sauce, we cook it for 1 more minute and this is all done. Turn off the gas and I'll be done. I have my serving plate ready. Look at how delicious the French bean. Let me share with you. Quick and easy and very tasty and very delicious French bean recipe is all ready. Prior to serving it, get Parmesan cheese and we're going to sprinkle a little amount all over the beans and red chili flake. And this is a perfect vegetarian dish. You can serve it any time of the day. Please try it and you're going to like it. It's very healthy, very nutritious French bean recipe. Sauteed French bean. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.